Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement MetLife dental insurance card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement MetLife dental insurance card, start by visiting the MetLife website. Navigate to the customer service section. Look for the option labeled dental insurance. Click on the link for member services. You may need to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting register. Once logged in, locate the option for Order Replacement Card. Fill out the required information, including your policy number and personal details. Review the information for accuracy before submitting your request. Alternatively, you can call MetLife's customer service. Use the number found on their website or your previous insurance documents. Provide your identification details and request a replacement dental card. Note that you may be asked to verify additional information for security purposes. After confirming your request, you will receive a confirmation email. Replacement cards typically arrive within 7 to 10 business days. If you need immediate proof of coverage, request a temporary card during your call. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or status changes. Follow up with MetLife if you do not receive your card within the expected timeframe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.